Before going to court, you might have a lot of questions and be worried about preparing for the day. The advisors here at Voice can offer you support and advice. They will talk you through things and do their best to help you with any anxieties you may have. If you are a victim or witness and are warned to give evidence, you may have to attend court to give evidence, or give evidence through a screen or video link. There is a lot of help available to make the experience run as smoothly as possible. Here at Voice, we have specially trained people to guide you through the process. You may not have to go to court if the suspect pleads guilty, your evidence is not disputed, if other evidence or witness evidence covers the same point more strongly. It is the Crown Prosecution Service and the defence lawyer that decide which witnesses need to give evidence in a trial. The CPS then notify us at Voice, who will contact each witness, and we ensure that they attend. In addition to the support services of Voice, each court has a witness service which provides friendly support when you are there. They can even arrange a pre-court visit to help and offer you assistance. As some people can find the process of giving evidence in court particularly difficult due to their individual needs, special measures are available to help victims and witnesses. Your Voice support worker will discuss these options with you when they ask you to provide evidence. These arrangements have to be made before the trial and agreed by the judge. So be sure to be honest with your support worker so they can best accommodate you in the process. A full list of the circumstances you should tell your support worker about is available on the Voice website. If you want to find out more about going to court, such as help with getting to court, expenses for going, and reviewing your statement, then check out the interactive courtroom in the link below. You can also learn more about what happens during a court trial in our next video.